Good morning students, my name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing chapter Advanced Feature of MS Excel, and in the previous video we have learned how to create a chart and what are the different components of the chart. So in this video we will be formatting a chart. Now by formatting we mean that how we can change the appearance of the chart, improve it. So it may include adding a title or changing the text, the color, the width, border styles, legends, and many more things. So in this video we will be covering four things. First, changing the background color pattern. Second, formatting the legends. Third, changing scale of the value axis. Fourth, formatting data series. So let's start with the first topic, changing the background color and the pattern. It is very simple. Just right click on the chart area. From here select the option format chart area. Now a window appears. Right now it is on automatic. That means by default it shows the white color. You can select no fill. Now you can see when I have clicked on the no fill option, these lines are appearing and these are equal to the back of your worksheet. Second is solid fill. Now you can change the color from here, whichever color you want. Try to choose a light color or the contrast with your data series so that it can enhance your chart, appearance of the chart. Next is gradient fill. That means the texture. Here gradient means here it is lighter in color and here it is darker in color. So this is how you can change the gradient. It can be linear. Right now it is linear. Then comes the radial. That means circular, then rectangular, or the path. Then you can see the direction also, change the direction. Next is picture or the texture fill. From here you can select the different textures like this. The second thing is insert picture. When you click here, it shows you where your pictures are available. So you can select whichever picture you want to insert and click on the insert option. Next option is pattern fill. Pattern fill give you some patterns like this and you can change the color accordingly. Likewise this color is not suitable. Choose your colors wisely. Now this is better. This is how you change your background. This was the first topic. So next topic is formatting the legends. To do that, click on this legend, then right click, format legend option. Now again we have different options like legend options, where you want to place the legends, on the top, bottom, left, right, or the top right. Right now it is on the right side. Second is fill. Just like the chart area, we can fill no fill, which matches the background of the chart area. Solid fill, it changes the color. I will select the same color but a bit higher. Now you can see it is different from the background. Gradient, picture, pattern, and automatic, they all are same as the chart area. Next is border color. So from here you can choose a solid line. I am choosing a color, black is suitable, increasing the transparency. And next is border style. Now to view the different kind of border, you have to increase the thickness of your border. Now it is solid, so if I am changing any style from here, likewise I am selecting this, so it should be bit thicker to view the different chart compound types like this. So next is whether you want to take a solid line or the dashed ones. You can see the changes here. Next is shadow. If you want to show the shadow, click here and choose the box like this. So these are your legend option. This is how you format your legends. You can see all the formatting here, the change in the color, the change in the border, and a shadow effect. The next topic is changing scale of the value axis. Now the value axis depend on the type of the chart. Right now we have selected we have selected a column chart. So by default, the value axis is y-axis. If we select a bar chart, the value axis become the x-axis. So just like Legends, click on your values, right click and click on the format axis option. So this is the dialog box for the format axis. Now the first thing is axis option. So here we can set the minimum value, the maximum value, the major unit and the minor unit. By minimum value I mean from where it will start. Likewise here it is starting from 0 and the maximum value here is 100 and major unit is 10. So I can change it to anything, like I want it to be 20, like this. The values in the reverse order, whether you want to change it or not. Next is, now you can see there is a change. Here it comes 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Earlier it was 0, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, like that. Next is number. Category is number. Currency, right now we are on the numbers only. So if it is currency, then it will change accordingly. We will go with the general numbers. Again, no fill, solid fills, gradients, patterns, as we have done for the previous ones. Line color, if you want or not. Here I will select a solid line and increase the transparency for it. Line style, shadow, whether you want to apply a shadow or not, like this. So this is how you can format your value axis. The last topic is formatting data series. To do that, just click on any of the data series. Now you can see the respective all data series will be selected. Right click on the data series, click on the format data series option. Again, the same kind of window appears. The first option is a fill color. You can change the solid color from here, like this. Then you can change the border color, border style, if you want to make the shadows or not. So this is how you format. The another way to do this is just simply select your chart, go to the design option, and from here you can change the data series options, and we have variety of options here, and it put impact on the overall chart. It changes the background color also, the chart area, the legends, it affects everything. So this is the second way to do this. Hope you have understand all the formatting features. If you have any query, ask anytime. Thank you.